Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to use incognito mode on YouTube. To do this it's very simple. You have just to go to YouTube, open it, and after that go and click on your picture on the bottom right of the screen. And as you can see, there is a list here on the top of the screen. And one option of them is turn on incognito. You have just to click on it. And it tells you that you've gone incognito. You say got it. And after that you can start your research. For example, I don't know, music or whatever thing that you are looking for. And as you can see, to be sure that you are still in the incognito mode, you have to see that you are incognito in the bottom of the screen. Because if there is no notification there, that means that maybe the app took you out from the incognito mode. So that's it. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like this video and see you in the next one.